I'm talking with Michael Efron, president of Waterways, about its new Brook water dispenser that the company has just launched. Michael, thanks for joining me. Please tell me all about the Brook.
Okay, so when we developed this line of coolers, the idea is that we could tool and develop a cooler line with a full feature list available within that one design. So the way the coolers are developed is that it could either be a bottom load cooler or a point of use cooler. They could be available in either an electronic dispensing version or a mechanical dispensing version, as well as there's other feature lists that can be added into this cooler, such as a carbonation system or a disposable replaceable waterway, all within the one development profile that was put together originally on the cooler. Customers looking for additional features because that is a point of differentiation with them in their business. And so the challenge for us as a manufacturer is that if you develop multiple feature sets, usually you start off with a cooler and develop one, and then if a customer wants something else, so you market and you find other needs, then you have to try to add that into the cooler, versus we started off with being able to have, from a principal standpoint, all those features available in one development cost.
How long was this product in development and how long did it take to come to marketplace?
Quick to market as a company, but it did take us about 4 to 5 months from a general marketing standpoint to find out, well, what did we want that cooler to be. Then it takes about another 4 to 6 months in the full engineering and development, and then you start in the tooling and the trial and error that goes along with the development of the cooler, and that takes about another 6 months. So from concept, from origination to being ready to ship product into market, it was about 15 months.
What has the reception been like?
It's actually been quite overwhelming. So because there's so many traditional either basic coolers in the market or very, very high-end coolers, we position this cooler to be a €500 cooler for less than half the price. And so I think that's a lot of what the bottlers, the operators here have seen at the show, and I think why there's been such great interest.
What sets apart this machine from others that are perhaps on the marketplace?
So I think some of the feature lists that we talked about, people like to have buttons. We all have our phones and our gadgets that we have, and so people like to have easy use systems. The other key is because it is a bottom load unit, that is one feature that consumers are really enjoying, not having to lift the bottle and put it on top of a cooler as an additional bottle top cooler, but also the way our bottle is installed in the cooler. It doesn't have a long tether hose that you put in and have to push the bottle into the unit. It's a very easy load system, and that's something that's proprietary to our company and something that we've had a lot of great reaction to.
And finally, what's next for you? There must be something on the horizon that's coming.
So we're going to be adding into these systems a full carbonation system, as well as there will be a disposable waterway that will also be available both in this look and its sister item, the Stream Cooler that we spoke a little bit about earlier.
Great stuff. And we'll have more on this on foodbev.com very soon. Michael, thank you so much for joining me.
It was a pleasure. Thank you.